Hello and welcome to Poseidwn Tech. Let me explain what is QuickShot while preparing my Mavic Pro Platinum. QuickShot is one of the intelligent flight modes of Mavic Pro. Includes drone, Helix and rocket. In these modes, Mavic will record a video according to the selected shooting mode and then automatically generates a short video. The requirements of QuickShot are two. First, Mavic must be at least 1.5 meters above the ground. Second, Mavic must be in positioning mode with GPS signal. QuickShot is an automatic mode. The only thing you need to do is to press go and Mavic will generate automatically a video clip for you. At the end of all modes, Mavic will fly back to its original position. Keep in mind that in QuickShot, Mavic cannot avoid obstacles automatically, so try QuickShot in wide open areas only. Details about my gear you will find in the description section. I believe we are ready to fly. In order to enable QuickShot, just press on the little remote icon and then choose QuickShot. Let's start with drone. In this mode, Mavic flies backward and upward at the same time with the camera locked on your subject. Look how nice reveals the landscape. The steps for drone mode are 1. Draw a box around your subject. 2. Choose drone. 3. Set the distance. And 4. Press go. It counts down to 3 and it automatically starts recording on its own. You will notice that on the record button shows the percentage of how much of the drone shot is done. At the end of drone mode, Mavic will fly back to its original position. Let's set it in fast forward and move to the next mode. In Helix mode, Mavic flies upward, spiraling around your subject. The steps for Helix are 1. Instead of drawing a box, just tap on your subject and as you can see, Mavic automatically recognizes that the subject is human. 2. Choose Helix. 3. Choose the right distance and altitude for your shot. 4. Press go. At the end of Helix mode, Mavic will fly back to its starting position. In rocket mode, Mavic ascends with the camera pointing downward. The steps for rockets are: 1. Choose your subject and fly the Mavic above it. 2. Choose QuickShot. 3. Draw a box around your subject. 4. Choose Rocket. 5. Set distance. And 6. Press Go. At the end of rocket mode, Mavic will fly back to its starting position. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.